If you like to use the foot controller, insert the foot controller plug into the jack at the right end of the machine. Insert the power cord plug into the machine socket inlet, and then turn on the power switch. To run the machine, press the foot controller. The harder you press, the faster the machine sews. To stop the machine, remove foot from the foot controller. The color of the Start/Stop button indicates the status of the machine. Green indicates that the machine is ready to sew or currently sewing. Red indicates that the machine is not ready to start. Orange indicates that the machine is in bobbin winding condition. While sewing, the speed can be adjusted by sliding the speed controller. Slide the speed controller to the right to sew faster. And to the left to sew slower. While pressing the reverse stitch button, the machine sews reverse stitch. When the power is switched on, center needle position straight stitch will be selected automatically. Select the pattern you desire and press the pattern selection button. The alphabet of the presser foot type is indicated on the right side of each pattern selection button. When you select the stitch pattern, the machine automatically sets the standard stitch length and zigzag width. To adjust these settings manually, press the stitch length manual adjusting button and the zigzag width manual adjusting button. Then, slide the stitch length adjusting lever and the zigzag width adjusting lever to adjust stitch length and zigzag width to your desired ones. When the buttons are blinking, the sizes are the same as the standard settings. In case the thread tension is not correctly set, adjust the tension by using the thread tension dial. Always turn the power switch off before replacing the presser foot. Raise the presser foot. Press the presser foot releasing button to remove the presser foot. To attach the new presser foot, align the pin on the presser foot and the groove on the presser foot holder. Carefully lower the presser foot holder with the presser foot lever. For free arm sewing, remove the auxiliary bed. To lower the feed dog, slide drop feed lever to the right. As you can see, the accessories are neatly stored in the auxiliary bed.